I'm in Midstream Estate. Today I want to show you a property for 10.9 million. Behind me is Midstream College and you can walk across the road back home. This is the property. This property consists of 4 bedrooms. If you're a serious home buyer, stay focused up to the end because I'm going to show you all the details, features of the property, the price, everything inside this beautiful 4 bedroom, 4 bathrooms, 4 garages, study room, open plan, newly renovated, across the school from Midstream College in Midstream Estate. Let me show you, come and have a look. On the roof, this property covers 621 square meters.
The land is
1000 square meter. Coming from this side is your 4 garages and a total separate gym room. Nice open plan, ideally for entertainment. You've got a beautiful kitchen area, and then as you come inside the property for your guest, a guest toilet directly at your front door. Looking at this masterpiece kitchen, integrated fridge and freezers, lots of extra cupboard space, smack oven, warm drawer, blue standing smack with gas, your extractor plate, extractor fan, lots of extra cupboard space, drawers, and this is top quality finishes that you see here. This side is your integrated freezer, also a smack, and then extra cupboards for your pantry, for your standby to work and to prepare a meal. Your main is on this side, your main pantry is on this side. Let me show you on this. Some additional storage in your scullery area. Beautiful space. Then on this side you also have a showcase for glasses, wine glasses, and all this 3 drawers, another 3 here, and so basically a full set of drawers and extra cupboards on this side as well. With your stuff you can take it out, like your appliances, and then drawers, that's ideally some for vegetables or anything you want to place in, extra drawers at the bottom, and that. Lots of extra cupboards in this newly renovated property. Then an indoor braai that you can utilize like a small patio entertainment area, and that's flowing directly out onto the patio. And this property behind me, you'll notice it's a green strip. You can exit on to this green strip and straight onto the area, jumping the road onto the school. Beautiful pool, nice open space, and again all the quality and finishes that you're looking for in this property. Open plan living and entertainment. You'll also notice all the trees is mature. This is the old midstream, and it is so special because you can hear the wildlife, the birds, while you're sitting on your patio, experiencing nature close by. A lot of people ask me, is this safe? Definitely. I can confirm. The price might be a bit high, but I can promise you, you're paying for security, quality, and the best location. All of this is all the benefits that helps you to come and buy in Midstream Estate. The positive of Midstream Estate is that Midstream boasts for the best security. Nowhere you can live this type of life with an open wall like this and see the people and the kids driving on their bicycles, experience the quality of life and nature here on your doorstep while you're sitting on your patio. See this open living area. Let me show you the gym. This is beautiful, all this open natural feel, this beautiful space. Here's your little garden gate when you want to exit onto this green strip. And going onto this straight to school. This is the area that we can utilize for your gym. Beautifully private, separate from the rest of the house. And here you can train to become a winner. Let's look at the rest of the living areas. When you sit here, it's not like you feel under pressure. It's just you want to be here. You want to experience this nature and relax on your patio, listen to the bird life and just enjoy life. Open plan. Ideally, you can position your property. All the furniture here is staged. It is not part of the property. So just to give you the idea where to place what in the property. A combustion fireplace, ideally at winter time. Sitting here, experience this beautiful cozy area next to your pool. And a beautiful decking area for summertime, also to have this lovely entertainment way and just experience life in quality. Notice all this folding stacking doors and all the natural light coming in from the northern side, and sunrise on this side from the east. So all the natural light will come into this living area. Downstairs, we do have one guest bedroom as well. And this is our guest bedroom. A bit separate from the rest of the house, for your guests not to feel that everybody is interfering with them while they want to sleep a bit late on a Saturday morning. An ensuite with a shower, body showers, hand shower, basin and toilet. Let's go upstairs. Passing the TV room. Private lounge for the family, ideally positioned close to the stairs and between the two kid bedrooms. Let's look at the first bedroom. This bedroom do have a bathroom there. Notice the size on these bedrooms. It's an older house in the old midstream. So you'll notice this feels like a master bedroom in a new property that's newly built, but this is only one of the kids' bedrooms. A lot of cupboards, special mirror, and then also this little balcony, your own private balcony, facing onto this green area with a lot of mature trees. That your privacy in your room is also important. Let's look at this bathroom for this bedroom. This is a full bathroom, a basin, a loose standing bath, special mirror, and a beautiful shower, body shower, that is with body spray, all nicely renovated, beautifully finished. And then I want to show you this toilet. There's also a remote on this toilet, and we can lift this toilet. There's also temperature control. There's a little baby seat. So on the baby seat, you can lift it with your hand as well. And then also you can lift it like this. There, like I said, temperature control, bidet spray, even a massage mode. So quality on this. Let's look at the second bedroom. So this bedroom has this bathroom. Let's look at the bedroom first. The second bedroom and the main bedroom share this enormous balcony. And it's also lovely because you've got a seating area where you can put a 12-seater table, whatever you want. A lot of cupboard space. And again, your own mirror, one of the special mirrors. Let's look at the bathroom. Also a full bathroom. When I'm coming closer, it knows I need the toilet. That's why it opened. Body shower, loose standing bath, and a floating vanity. One of the special mirrors. Let's look at the main. And if you tell me you need cupboards, throw away from your clothes. Space here, and next door another space, and that side another space. Cupboards non-stop that you can think of and dream of. And then one of the most beautiful spots in this property is this beautiful bathroom, loose standing bath, separate toilet, and let's look at this beautiful shower. I see it is censored, so I don't want to touch anything, otherwise it will switch on. A little makeup station where you can stand, prepare just before you leave the house, your final touch. Look at the mirror and one of the special another showcase for handbags, maybe shoes, something special that you want to put in here. And again, as I mentioned, both sides cupboards. And then another beautiful feature of this big bedroom with your own combustion fireplace. Open up your patio doors, natural, large tree. And on this side, you got your own private lounge. Lounge area and another dresser space. Makeup station that you can dream for.